My goal for today's video is to save you as many of these guys as possible when you're buying a new home. So I'm gonna share with you my 3 top tips for getting a great deal on a home mortgage. Number 1, ask the loan officer that you're working with, what fees do you charge? A lot of people don't know that most lenders are gonna charge a bunch of junk fees, somewhere between $1,000 and $1,800. They're gonna have those sprinkled throughout your loan estimate, and a lot of the times, they're not gonna disclose those to you up front. So that's the first thing you need to ask is, what fees you're gonna charge me? And I wanna know to the dollar what those are gonna be. Tip number 2, what is today's rate at no cost? Because you could go to any lender and say, hey, what's today's rate? And they could tell you anything. They could tell you 2%, 1%, because you can always buy the rate down. You need to let them know your scenario. What is the purchase price? What is your credit score? How much are you gonna put down? And they should be able to give you a very close estimate of what your rate is gonna be at 0 cost out of pocket. Tip number 3. While you're on the phone with the loan officer that you're interviewing, you need to ask them, hey, while we're on the phone, can you get me an approval letter? And if they say yes, you need to turn around and go find somebody else because they are not doing their due diligence and that letter is worth nothing. I know it would be easier if you could just get it quick, fast, and now, but when you're buying something as big as a home, the last thing you want to do is do it quick. You want to do it right. So to get an actual approval, the loan officer needs to get your full application, they need to pull your credit, and they need to get your income documents. That way, they can ensure that you actually qualify for the home that you want. I've seen it too many times where people get one of those fake letters and they go out, they go under contract, they put earnest money down, they put inspection money down, they put appraisal money down, and they fall out of the deal and they lose all of that money. Make sure that they are doing their job correctly and just take that little extra step to get it done right. So if you have any questions about the process of buying a home, or you just want to make sure that you're getting a great deal, you can reach out to me. There should be a button somewhere here, or you can go to nobshomeloans.com. And what I do is I offer my clients a smart home buyers program. We have no lender fees, low rates, we have appraisal credits for most of our properties, we have reduced title fees, and we have closing cost credits to make sure that you're getting a great deal, and it's no hassle. You can ask a couple questions, get an idea of what it's gonna be and what your monthly payment is and what all the costs are gonna be before you actually go through the whole application process. So click that button, reach out to me, and hopefully I'll be talking to you soon.